Moving hardtops, how to do it? You're on the boat show, let me show you.
It all starts with measurements that shipyards send to the construction companies. They can be composed of mathematical data to build a temporary wooden model or a full-scale version of the boat printed and laminated by the shipyard for the highest possible accuracy of the model. Today, to better understand the whole process, we are at Besenzoni, a leading company in the mechanical movements market in the marine industry. On these specifications, then, the first aluminum frame is created, or even with other lightweight alloy. Now, the assembly takes place where the movement mechanisms are mounted, and this can be electric actuator or hydraulic pistons, ribbed arches, carriages, sabers, levers, and bells. The next step is surface treatment. Everything is treated according to the materials it is made of, using very specific techniques to make the whole part resistant to extreme weather conditions and ready for painting, if it is planned. So that you don't miss a single step, watch the video we made on industrial surface treatment in the marine industry. You can find it on our YouTube channel. After being treated, the different components are reassembled on the model, where the hard or soft top part is fitted, according to the will and need of the final customer. Hardtops can be composed of different materials: glass, plexiglass or composite materials such as fiberglass or carbon. The opening part, called the sunroof, has two movement options. The fixed slatted sunroof opens by changing the angle of the slats that makes up the roof. The retractable slatted sunroof, in addition, has carriages that allow the slats to translate on two sliding guides. The soft top, which has no hard cover and is similar to a convertible car, is composed of two different covers called skins that, placed on top of each other, back up thanks to the movement of the ribbed arches, allowing the maximum possible opening.
And in the end, it works. That's how to do it.